Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to design a mood board on Canva. So it's very easy. The easiest way to go about it is to go to Canva and click on the search bar or the search menu on top here and click on mood board. Click on it and then wait for the templates page to pop up. Then on the templates page, you see that there are so many, over 10,000 templates to choose from. Guys, I mean, what else do you need? And this is desktop version, this is a poster version, this is for Instagram posts, and this is for story. So it depends on what you are looking for. You can also input, you can just add something like Instagram mood board, Facebook mood board, TikTok mood board. It depends on what you're looking for, but mood board is a general term that you can use to aggregate all of these individual search terms. So once you've seen a mood board that you love or something you can work with, you can click on it. Let's say I want to work with something like this. You can click on it and click on the customize icon, and then you are as good as a very good, I don't even know what I'm saying at this point, but you are good to go. One thing I like about Canva is that it makes designing very easy and smooth. So this is, you can customize each picture, you can change them, make them yours, you can add your text here, you can change this, you can change the background and do whatever it is that you want to do. And that is how to create a mood board on Canva. So guys, if you've enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section and I'll see you in the next one. Also guys, please subscribe to the channel and do have a great day.